Viel eher. Lieber den Kenny als Lily. Ich weiss nicht wieso, sie ist sowieso hässlich.
You could say that.
Well, I think you did good today. And I find myself thinking that most days.
Also, nein. Clemmy ist die wichtigste. Dann komme ich, dann der Kenny. Wenn möglich, zuerst noch Carley vor dem Kenny. So.
No question.
Ich muss so eine Liste machen, ich muss anfangen, weil sonst ich kann mich nicht entscheiden. Was ist? Willst du Sex? Nicht jetzt, Mann. Anders zu tun. Jetzt wollen wir es nochmal fragen.
It's Lily's room.
Ich weiss, sie ist hässig. Ich probiere es jetzt gleich nochmal. Hey, Lil. I said get out!
I'm sorry.
Oh nein, Gott.
You don't have to apologize.
Did you come in here to give me hell or to coddle me?
Nein. Ich weiß nicht, was es heißt.
You think? I'm not going to play the victim, but you and your buddy might have had a hand in my instability.
Can I do anything for you?
Haven't you... No. Yes. I could use your help. There's a traitor. Somebody, one of us, out there. He or she or they have been taking things.
What?
For real? Who? What do you got?
Yes, for real. And I don't have shit.
Jemand von uns hat Essen
Just
geklaut.
know.
Lily.
The count's off and it's the good stuff. Antibiotics, oxy, fuck, anything with opium in it.
I see the count, and it's fine.
I keep my own. That one's getting messed with. I'm a fucking mess right now, but I'm not stupid. I know what happens if I start a witch hunt.
So you want me to start one?
I want you to poke around.
Okay, ja, das können wir machen. Mal.
What's there to go on?
I found this tossed into the garbage.
Huh.
We don't toss out equipment, we fix it. You'd only try to get rid of a flashlight if you were using it when you shouldn't.
Huh? Okay,
Okay,
frag mal
I'll poke around a little bit.
Thank you. If you don't find anything, I'm just going to assume it's you.
Alright, nein, wir sind's nicht.
A mystery.
Jesus, Doc.
I'm sorry. I heard you guys talking.
You need to unhear all of that.
Can I help?
Nein.
What did I just say?
You're the Grace Detective, and I can be Dick Grayson. You're Ward.
Oh, man.
That's Robin.
I know who it is.
Also gut. Weil sonst verratet das allen.
Don't tell anybody.
Secrecy.
Ja.
Yeah, good.
What do I do?
I don't know. Go look around. Let me know if you find anything weird.
I'm on the case.
Okay. I'm on the case. Oh, man. Jetzt gehen wir zuerst mal zu der Clem. Hey Clem. Wie geht's? Geht's dir gut?
Hey, Clementine.
Hey, Lee.
Hey there. Was machst
What's that you're working on, Clem?
It's called a leaf rubbing. My teacher, Miss Moore, showed us how to do them when we went to the botanical garden once.
du? Alright.
See, it's the same. Kind of.
Oh, that's really something.
I'll make one for you, too.
Danke. Wie gefällt's
Do
dir
you
da?
like it here?
I don't like it here.
Do you want to leave?
Where are we going?
Somewhere else.
I don't know. Maybe if I knew where?
Yeah, that'd be a good thing to know.
Du hast nicht aus Versehen die
You didn't
Taschenlampe kaputt
accidentally
gemacht,
break the
oder?
flashlight, did you?
No. Did Duck say I did?
No. Did Duck break the flashlight?
I don't think so. He's just always blaming me for stuff.
Like what?
Oh,
Putting
yeah.
a bug on his pillow?
Did you do that?
Yes.
I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Ah, Clem ist so cool. Also, der Tag tut sie immer beschuldigen, dass sie so Sachen macht. Und dann...
Hey, you two. How you doing?
We're okay.
Just having a little spat.
We all carry guns now, and I don't like it.
Ja, was willst du?
It's the way it's gotta be.
I know, but I'm not getting used to it. I'm sorry. How are you, Lee?
Ja, whatever mit der Clementine, wir sind jetzt da dran. Wir müssen es probieren mit der Lily.
You need to try harder with Lily. You guys gotta straighten this out.
I don't know how straight we can get it given all that's happened.
Ja,
So what then?
Time will come we'll have to do what's best for our families. And that's what we'll do.
Yep. Ihr traut allen da, oder?
You guys, trust everyone here?
More or less. I obviously have my problems with Lily, but I don't distrust her.
Yeah,
Right.
we can't turn on each other any more than we have.
Ja, da haben wir schon recht. Wisst ihr etwas über eine
Do you guys know
verbrochene
anything about this broken
Taschenlampe?
flashlight?
Fuck. We don't got many of those.
Yeah, it's a problem. The glass and the bulb are all busted out.
I saw some broken glass over by the ice machine. I meant to clean it up before the kids hurt themselves on it. I forgot, though.
Mit der Eismaschine. Wegen der Pistole.
About the guns.
Don't you start.
I just wanted to say, Kat, it's probably good they make you uncomfortable.
Thank you, Lee.
But we need them. There's no doubt about that.
Yep.
I'll talk to you later.
You're right. Also, ich glaube, die zwei sind es nicht. Ich gehe jetzt mal zu dieser Eismaschine. Gehen wir mal schauen.
Sounds like Kenny actually has that thing running. I'll believe it when I see it.
Ja, er hat es anscheinend zum Laufen gebracht, Kenny. Okay. Ist es wirklich von da? Yep, es ist schon da. Ein X.
There's something drawn there. Chalk.
Naja, das siehst du doch von weitem, dass es...
Chalk! Maybe.
Pink!
What do you think it is?
I don't think it's anything.
Maybe it's a sign.
It could be. It's pink chalk, which is weird.
Wieso?
Okay, back to investigating.
Ist es Clemmy? Nein, Mann, das ist doch nicht Clemmy.
Hey, Ben,
What's up, Lee?
Hast du irgendetwas Komisches
have you
gesehen?
seen anything weird on watch? Is there anybody out there up to anything?
Nope. Really quiet.
Really?
Yeah, totally. Which is good.
Yep, das ist so. Hast du das Kreide, das ich mich
Hey,
auslehne?
Ben, I need a piece of chalk. You know where I can get any?
Why would I have any?
Just asking around.
Well, I don't play with that stuff. I've got my thoughts, and I've been reading the Bible I found in my room.
Okay.
That's what it's there for.
Was denkst du über die
What do you
Lily?
think about Lily?
Mal ein bisschen
She scares the
abchecken.
crap out of me.
Okay.
That's a reasonable thing to feel.
I'm just worried she's going to snap.
Okay. Bist du viel in Macon
Did you ever
gewesen?
come down here to Macon much?
I didn't have much reason to. My parents would let me take the car into the city on the weekend. But what's in Macon? It's kind of a waste of time compared to Atlanta.
Alright.
I grew up in Macon.
Oh, I didn't mean to say it's crappy or anything.
Ja.
It's
It's
super
okay,
nice. I mean, not now, but I bet it was. Is.
Ist okay.
Talk to you later, Ben.
Bye.
Also ich gehe jetzt gerade mal zuerst zu der Clemmy fragen, ob sie etwas über das Kreuz weiss.
Hey, Clementine.
Hey, Lee.
Do, you have any pink chalk?
No, it's gone somewhere.
Ah.
Do you want blue?
No, it's okay.
Lee,
Der Doc, ey,
I
nein.
found something.
What is it?
I found this piece of pink chalk and a scuff of it over by the gate.
What?
Really?
Totally. I was coming to see him for clues
Yeah,
and...
Duck, I got it. Good job.
Es ist doch der Doc selber, ey. Also gut, High Five.
Cool.
Doc thinks you're incredibly awesome. Also, zeig mal, wo ist der
More
gewesen?
chalk.
Kann man es nicht wegschieben, das Zeug? Ist da jemand reingekommen? Kann nicht sein, oder? Doc, was meinst du? Du hast aber nicht die
You didn't
Taschenlampe
break the
kaputt gemacht, oder?
flashlight, did you, Duck?
No, Mom and Dad won't let me touch any of their stuff. Lily neither.
That's probably for the best.
Oh, bist so fies. Du weißt, glaube ich, ein bisschen über all die
You
Sachen.
seem to know a bit about all of this. The chalk, you found the scuff here. This is gonna sound crazy, but you're not involved, are you?
Hm?
No, I'm a good guy.
Sicher. Hast du etwas anderes
Have you
gefunden?
found anything else?
Just the chalk. I also found some bugs underneath the stairs. Don't tell Clementine.
Eben, sie hat ihm einen Käfer aufs Küsschen
Okay, I
gelegt.
won't.
Ja, so herrlich.
Stay inside the gate.
I will, I will.
Hey Clementine. Unter den Käfer, unter den Steg hat's Käfer. Ah, schade.
I'll talk to you later, Clem.
Kann ich leider
Okay.
nicht. Okay, mit der Carley haben wir auf jeden Fall noch nicht geredet. Wieso hat es dort ein X an der Wand?
Talk to Lily yet?
Yeah.
Yep.
She thinks supplies have been walking away.
Really?
There's some broken equipment, too. I'll look into it.
Thanks for doing that.
Wieso schaust du
What
so
I wanted to
komisch?
say was, I've been thinking a lot about you.
Mir geht's gut.
I'm fine.
Ich will da
Don't
nicht
brood.
Romanze.
I know you're fine.
Ich will nicht da Romanze starten, sorry.
You're a convicted killer.
Carley, Jesus.
And I think people should know. Not because they deserve to, and not because you're a bad man. I think the opposite of those two things.
Ja, du hast recht. Ich
People
hätte
need
von
to
Anfang
know
an
because
hätte ich
we're
die Wahrheit
hanging by a
gesagt.
thread here, and I can't see Lily talk about you without thinking it's the next thing she's going to say. You don't have to tell everyone, but think about who you trust and take the opportunity while you have it.
Du hast wahrscheinlich recht. Also du hast wahrscheinlich recht.
Of course I'm probably right. People might be pissed, and telling them might cause some trouble, but it will be a far cry from what'll happen if they don't hear it from you.
Das stimmt.
So you'll do it then?
Ja. Ich
I'll
lasse
let
euch
people
alle
know.
wissen.
You're totally right.
Yep.
Good. I think it's for the best.
Oh, come on.
Try not to play stoic. It makes your forehead crinkle.
Ich soll nicht zu viel nachdenken, es kann mir Runzel auf der Stirn.
Now, is there anything else you want to talk about?
Fühlst du dich sicher da?
Do you feel safe here?
Show me a bath with a heated floor in a high-rise apartment and hand me a full-bodied Malbec and then I'll feel safe. I don't
Alright.
know, this place is fine, but we all know that could change at any second.
Mhm. Was meinst du, sind die anderen parat, dass ich es
You
erzählen
really
kann?
think people are ready to
Dass
hear
ich
about
ein
me?
Killer bin?
It's not a matter of ready or not. There's never going to be a good time, but there are going to be a lot of bad ones.
Yep.
Right now doesn't seem like one of them. But everyone's different. Who knows how each person would take it, you know? Maybe it's worth thinking about who you want to tell.
Hast du eine Rede, die ich
Do you have
auslehne?
any chalk I can borrow?
What, Clementine holding out on you?
So you don't have any.
No, why would I?
Hast du irgendwelche Gedanken wegen der Lily?
You have any thoughts about Lily?
I worry about her, that's about it. She keeps trying to run things, but it's just not working.
I'm gonna look into this thing.
Good idea.
Alright. Hey, ich will mal ein bisschen Action. Ich habe bis jetzt noch kein bisschen Action gehabt. Ah doch, einiges. Also gut. Clemmy, du weißt eh schon einiges. Ich muss dir etwas sagen.
Clem, I need to talk to you for a second.
Okie dokie.
The day you and I met, I was in a car accident.
I remember. Your leg was bleeding.
The car I was in was a police car, and I was on my way to jail for committing a crime. I need to tell you now, because I don't want you to hear it any other way.
Okay.
Do you have anything to say?
I don't think so.
You can go on back to your things.
Das war wirklich eine gute Idee. Sicher, understands. Okay. Weißt du etwas über
das? Have you seen any chalk around?
Ah, yes. Clementine loves to draw with it.
Yeah, she says she's missing a piece of it.
Well, I don't know anything about that.
Sorry, Lee.
I don't know, man. Es ist jetzt so... Ich bin recht paranoid geworden. Es ist so ein bisschen...